Want to wipe a YouTube channel off the face of the internet using just your phone? Whether you're cringing at old content or just starting fresh, I'm going to show you how to delete your channel on iPhone or Android in under 2 minutes. Stick around because there's one specific setting at the end you have to get right, or you might accidentally delete your entire Google account by mistake. Let's dive in. First, a quick heads up. We're deleting your YouTube channel, brand account, not your entire Google identity. Your Gmail, Drive, and photos are safe, unless you click the wrong button. If you want the nuclear option, delete your whole Google account, check the link in the description, but for today, we're just cleaning up your YouTube presence. Open the YouTube app. Step 1 is the most important. Select the right account. Tap U in the bottom right corner, then hit switch accounts at the top. Pick the exact channel you want to vanish. Trust me, you don't want to realize you deleted your main account halfway through this process. Once you're on the right profile, tap the settings gear on the top right. From here, look for your data in YouTube. Tap on that. And it's going to open a dashboard. Tap your profile icon on the top right one more time and select manage your Google account. Now you have the option to delete your brand account below. Before you delete, tap download your data. If there are old memories of videos you might want in 10 years, grab them now. Once they're gone forever. And that's it. If you want to delete this brand account, hit the delete account and confirm that I want to permanently delete my account. Ever wonder how to change YouTube's full screen settings? Check out this video now.